to my channel. We are super zoomed in. We are going to do a brow tutorial. If you want to see a quick and easy beginner's guide to eyebrows, then thanks bitch. Okay, so today's product, I'm going to be using a brow pomade. Now, I just like this product. I'm just using the LA Girl Brow Pomade in soft brown. And I've also got a flat angled teeny honey brush. I've got a spoolie, which is just like a mascara wandy thingy, but it's there too, so you can brush your brows into place like so, like so. And I've also got a ask me oldie faithful still going strong Essence brow gel. So, and that's just going to be our, this is just a basic, very basic tutorial. So let's get started. Like I just said before, let's get started. So in here we have our product, and I'm just going to take the brush and I'm going to dip it in. This product is quite soft, so I just like to load up my brush a little, put it on the back of my hand to thin it out, and kind of spread it over the brush. Grab me in the back, and hopefully not block you. Hey, oh my gosh. And the first thing I do is, yep, like I said, we take our little brush. So we've kind of got the basic shape going on. Oh my hair, what's happening? Anyway, so we've got our product on the back of our hand, and again, we're just going to move that product around and take a tip. Now, I like to start right here at the front of my brow. So, I just follow my natural shape of my brow. So starting at this front here, and then I just draw a line up here. Just keep following your brow. Okay, just keep following your natural shape. And then we have just one single line, like so, right? Okay. And then the next easiest step to do is, again, move that product down onto the tip of your brush. And then I like to just start about here, not right at the front, just there. And just using light strokes, follow our brow shape. Again, super simple. So we've got like pretty much we've got an outline. We'll work on cleaning it up, but for now we're just concentrating on how to fill in your brow. Okay? So again, they're taking a little bit more product, just the same amount that's on the back of my hand here. I'm just gonna fill in the tail. For me, this is my most sparse area, so that's like where I have the least amount of hair and probably need the most definition. So we're just gonna color it in between the lines, like a tool. And then we're just gonna go into the front. And the closer we get to the beginning of the brow, like the more softer you want it to be. You don't want it to be super harsh. Unless you like that, then you can go for it. But this is how I like it. And then I just like to kind of work that line up into the brow. That bottom line, just like push it upwards. I'm still using that and then just flicking upwards. Flicking that product up into the brow. And when it comes to the front, I just like to softly fill. And maybe even bring it in a little bit further into the inlet. But always just keeping it nice and soft, especially in the start. Kind of want it to like fade into. I can't guarantee that every single time your brows are going to look perfect with this because it takes practice. But you know, take your spoolie brush again and not a tutorial if you don't poke yourself in the eye. And then again, just brush the product through your brows with this brush here. It's going to soften any harsh lines. And then it's going to brush your brows into place as well. Okay, this is a good brow. This here is also a good brow, but it's just not so good. Now, the next option is to fill it in with some Fibrous Brow Gel. So this is, I like this one because it's super cheapy cheeks. It's from Farmers, it's from the brand Essence, and it's an eyebrow gel mascara. But it has like tiny little fibers as well, so if you've got like really not full brows, just go ahead and just brush that through. I like to concentrate it more at the end where I've got like hardly any here, and it can just kind of bulk it out a little bit more. Like I said, but this is not a necessity. Like, this is just an extra ass bougie step that I like to take, and most other people. But if you don't want to do that, you do not have to do that at all. Okay, so let's go and move to the other side. Here we are again. There we go, there's my whole face in the frame now. So that's just how I like to do my brows. Super quick, super easy. There are other steps that you can do, like some people like to carve out their brows with concealer and stuff, but that's not really necessary, not for everyday kind of look. And like I said before, if anything is too harsh or you're like, oh that's super dark, take this spoolie, this little mascara, and just flick the brush through the brows, and you can use your fingers. Yeah, use your fingers, and just to blend everything out and soften. But yeah, that's how I like to do my brows. I hope you enjoyed that quick little tutorial, and come back next time for more tiny little things. You know what I mean. Come back, come back, come back, come back. Thanks for watching. Bye.